Welcome back to the maths class, students. We were doing chapter perimeter and area. Today we shall start the exercise 11.4, which is based upon the applications of so far we have studied about the perimeter and the area. So let us begin with the first of the question. And the question says, a garden is 90-meter long and 75-meter broad. A path 5-meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. So as per the question, the garden is in the rectangular shape, which is having the length 90 meter and the width 75 meter. In this question or in this sort of questions, it is important to look for the word which is saying outside, inside or interior, exterior. So such words here, outside is mentioned and it is saying a path 5-meter wide is built outside and around it. So means this is the garden and outside this garden the path is being made. So here this width is 5-meter around everywhere. So children, this new length will be this 90 inside plus 5 of this side and 5 of this side. So it means it will be 90 plus 10, as you can see 5 on the both side. Same way the width will be also like that. This is 70 inside. Now 5 this side and 5 this side. So this means the new length is 100 meter and new width will be 75 plus 10, that is 85 meters. So in this concept we have to look for the words which is saying outside or inside. The path is made outside, then we have to add the twice of the width of the path given to the new length, to the length and the width as well. So here in the given question, the length of the garden was 90 meter, width was 75 meter. Area of the garden, that is the inside portion, was 90 into 75, that is 6750 meters square. Now as I told you how to calculate the new length, it will be 90 plus twice, because both side we have to add twice of the 5, that is the width of the path 100 meter. Same way width of the rectangle garden will be 75 plus twice of the 5, that is 85 meter, and the area of the whole, that is the bigger rectangle, will be 100 into 85, that is 8500 meters square. Now what will be the area of the path? Area of the path will be area of bigger rectangle minus the area of smaller rectangle. So it will be like that. We will be doing this way. Area of path will be equals to area of garden including the path minus, this is the bigger of the rectangle, and minus the area of the garden. So with respect to the figure given mentioned here, you can see that area of bigger of the rectangle minus the area of smaller rectangle will give you the area of the path. So this way on calculation we will get that the area of the path is 1750 meters square. Now next part of the question is asking us find the area of the garden in hectare. So we know that 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square. Therefore area of the garden in hectare will be area of the garden inside we have already calculated. Now we are doing the conversion. We will be dividing it by 10,000 meters square. So it will be now 0.675 hectare. So this is the first question. Now let us proceed with the second one. Now second question says a 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and width 65 meter. Find the area of the path. As I told you children, we have to look for the words which is telling us whether the path is outside or inside. Whenever it is outside, we have to add twice of the width of the path mentioned, and if it is inside we have to subtract twice of the width which is being mentioned of the path. So as per the question, the figure we have, so here 125 meter and 65 meter as a width given, 3 meter around everywhere, it is said. So everywhere the width of this path is 3 meters. So with respect to this, we can calculate the new length to be 125 plus 3 plus 3. So that will be 131 meter, and the width of the park including the path will be 65 plus twice of the 3, that is now 71 meter. So area of the park will be 125 into 65. This is the inner portion. Area of the park will be length into width, that is 125 into 65 equals to 8125 meters square. Now we will find the area of the whole means garden along with the path, that is 131 into 71 meter. So answer will be 9301 meter square. So children, we have calculated the area of the bigger of the rectangle and the smaller rectangle. So we need to calculate the again area of the path. So what we need to do? Subtract the smaller from the bigger region. So here it will be like this. Area of the path equals to area of park including the path, that means the bigger rectangle, minus area of the park. So we will subtract it down and we will get the answer as 1176 meters square. So this way children, we have completed 2 of the questions in this session, and in the next we will proceed with further.